So, how many distinct sums can be obtained by adding three different numbers from the set 3, 6, 9? Basically, all the numbers divisible by 3 up to 30. And so, a good idea when you're trying to count the possible sums, is to like consider the smallest and largest possible sum that you can get. So the smallest one would be 3 plus 6 plus 9, which is 18. And the largest would be, well, there's a 24 here. So 24 plus 27 plus 30, which is 81. So these are the smallest and largest possible sums. But how many of the sums in between can we find? Well, we know that all of these numbers are multiples of 3. And that means that the sum of three of these numbers or the sum of any number of these numbers from the set will also be multiples of 3. So that means that all of our sums must be multiples of 3, because the sum of a couple multiples of 3 is a multiple of 3. And now we've shown that these are all our only legal sums, 18 through 81, and the multiples of 3. Basically, the multiples of 3 between 18 and 81. Any sum, it has to be, if we want a sum to be possible, it has to be one of those. And now we should at least you should spend some time. It's worth it to convince yourself that these are all constructible. For example, 18 is 3 plus 6 plus 9. 21 equals 3 plus 6 plus 12. 24 equals 3 plus 6 plus 15. And 27 equals 3 plus 6 plus 18. And so the idea here is that you increase the largest number by 3 every single time, all the way until you get up to like 39 equals 3 plus 6 plus 30. And then 42 equals 3 plus 9 plus 30. And you'll just keep incrementing this guy up until he's 27. And then you increment the first one up to 27. So you can hit all of the sums. And so our set of sums is the multiples of 3 between 18 to 81. And so the number of multiples of 3 between 18 and 81, 18, 21. So we can scale down by 3. So it's the number of things from 6 to 27. And then we can calculate that as 27 minus 6 plus 1. So that's 22 possible sums.